Hello all, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss some important aptitude problems and solutions. So let's get started. The first problem is every month Jaya spends 15% of her monthly income on paying rent, 12% on shopping, and 13% on paying her child's school fees. Out of the remaining 3 by 24th she spends on groceries, 5 by 6th she deposits in bank, and remaining she invests in mutual funds. If she invests 1350 rupees in mutual funds in a month, what is her yearly income? They asked us to identify the yearly income of Jaya. Let us consider the yearly income be X. Next, 15% plus 12% plus 13% gives 40%, remaining is 60%, that's why into 60 by 100. Next, 3 by 24 plus 5 by 6 means 23 by 24, the remaining is 1 by 24, that's why into 1 by 24, or 5 by 6 can be written as 20 by 24. 20 by 24 plus 3 by 24 is 23 by 24, and remaining is 1 by 24. I hope you understood this. This is equalized with remaining amount. What is the remaining amount? 1350. This is given in the question. Into 12. Why into 12? Because they asked us to identify the yearly income. That's why into 12. Next, these are the simple cancellations and calculations. After all the calculations, we get x equal to 6.48 lakhs. This is her yearly income. 6.48 lakhs. Option E is the right answer. There is another method. Simply divide each and every option with 12. Whichever the option gives 0 remainder, that option is the right answer. Among all these options, only one option divides with 12 completely without having any remainder, that is 6.48. So answer is E. Let's move on to the second one. A shopkeeper bought two articles X and Y. The cost price of X is 25% less than Y. He sells X and Y at profits of 40% and 25% respectively. If the selling price of Y is 72 rupees more than X, what is the cost price of X? It is clearly given that one object is 25% more than other object. So that's why they are in the ratio of 3:4. That's why we have taken 3x and 4x. 3x and 4x. Next, the selling price of one article is 40% and another article is 25%. So 140, 3x into 140%, 140 by 100, and 4x into 125 by 100. Their difference is 72 rupees. So their difference is 72 rupees. Article Y minus article X equal to 72 rupees. Next, these are the simple cancellations. We get X equal to 90. Put this 90 in here. They have asked to identify the cost price of X. This is the X article, so 3 into 90 equal to 270 rupees. 270 rupees, option A is the right answer. Third problem. If the respective ratio of present ages of A and B is 8:11 and the difference between their present ages is 21 years, what would be A's age 3 years hence? 3 years hence means 3 years later. A to B is 8:11. It's given. 11 minus 8 is 3 parts. Difference is 3 parts and difference is 21 years. This is also given in the question. 3 parts value is 21 years. What is the value of 8 parts? 8 by 3 into 21. 3 7s are 7 8s are 56 years. They asked to identify the 3 years hence age. That means 56 plus 3, that is 59 years. Option C is the right answer. Next, the selling price of 13 oranges is 312 rupees. If the selling price of each apple is 75% more than that of each orange, how many apples can be purchased for 1134 rupees? So one orange cost is 312 by 13. One apple cost is 312 by 13 into 175 by 100. Why 175 by 100? Because one apple cost is 75% more than one orange cost. That's why into 175 by 100. Now, with this money, one apple can be purchased. Now, what we have to find out, with this money, how many apples are purchased? That's why 1134. 1134 by 312 by 13 into 175 by 100 into 1. This is the easy cancellation. Can be easily cancelled with the 13 table and 25 table. Finally, we get 27. 27 apples can be bought from 1134 rupees. Option B is the right answer. Next, fifth question. Among the three numbers, the average of first and second number is greater than the average of second and third number by 28. What is the difference between the first and third number? So it's clearly given a plus b by 2 equal to b plus c by 2 plus 28. After LCM and the cancellation, we get a minus c plus b minus b plus b plus b cancel. C comes to left hand side. A minus c equal to 56 rupee. 56. The difference between first and the third number is 56 rupees. There is another method, simple method. Just double this 28. Double this 28, we get 56 rupees. 56. The answer is 56. Double the 28. Double the 28, we get 56. So, sixth one. A can finish a piece of work in 18 days. B takes X days more time than A to finish the same piece of work. If A and B together can finish the same piece of work in 10 2 by 7 days, 10 2 by 7, this is the mixed fraction. What is the value of X? It's given A plus B equal to 72 by 7 days, B equal to A plus B minus A. A work is 1 by 18, A's 1 day work is 1 by 18. So after the subtraction we get 1 by 24. This is the 1 day work of B, and B can complete the work in 24 days. They ask to identify the difference between B and A. So B minus A is equal to 24 minus 18, that is 6 days. Option A is the right answer. Seventh problem. A and B start a business. A invests 3,500 rupees, B invests 1,000 rupees less than A, that means 2,500. After 7 months from the start of business, C joins with an investment of 9,600 rupees. While both A and B invested an additional 400 each to their initial investments, B's share of profit is 2,400. What is the total annual profit? They have given the B's annual profit and they asked to identify the total annual profit of A, B and C. Let's see how to solve this. Firstly, A invested 35 rupees for 7 months. After 7 months, he invested 4 rupees more, so 39 into 5. B invested 25 rupees for 7 months. After 7 months, he invested 4 rupees more, so 29 to 5. And C invested 96 rupees for the last 5 months. That's why 96 into 5. After the cancellation, here plus in all these 5 terms, 5 is common. So 5 is cancelled, 5 cancel, 5 cancel. 5 5s are 5 7s are 35. In all the terms 5 is common, so we have cancelled out. We have ruled out the 5. So we get 7 into 7 plus 39, 35 plus 29, 96. After the ratio, we get 11 is to 8 is to 12. The value of 8 parts is given. What is the value of 8 parts? 2,400. 8 value is 2,400. They asked to identify the value of 31 parts. So 31 by 8 into 2,400. 8 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 3s are 9. 9,300. Option E is the right answer. I hope you understood. Next, move to the 8th one. X square plus 19x plus 88 equal to 0. Y square plus 16y plus 64 equal to 0. They asked to identify the relationship between the factors of these two quadratic equations. The factors for this quadratic equation is minus 11 and minus 8. The factors for this quadratic equation is y equal to minus 8 minus 8. On comparing, we get minus 8 minus 6 is equal, and here minus 11 is less than minus 8. So that's why x is less than or equal to y. X is less than or equal to y. Option D is the right answer. Ninth problem. Last one. 2x square minus 15x plus 28 equal to 0. One quadratic equation. Y square minus 8y plus 16 equal to 0. Another quadratic equation. The factors for this equation are, for this quadratic equation are plus 7 by 2 plus 8 by 2. Divide the factors with this 2. X square coefficient. Divide the factors with x square coefficient 2. We get plus 3 1 by 2 and plus 4. And the quadratic equations for this y square minus 8y plus 16 is y equal to 4 and 4. Here 4 and 4 are equal and 4 is greater than 3 1 by 2. So in the options we get x is less than or equal to y. X is less than or equal to y. Option D is the right answer. These are some questions, and in the next video we will upload some more questions. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.